Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to have you around. And if you're new, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications button so that you'll be first notified when we post new content like this in the future. Thank you so much. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing us how to start a Zoom meeting. So since the advent of Corona in 2020, most organizations, most companies have moved majority of their meetings to online, otherwise known as virtual meetings. So it is important that in this present era, one knows how to join or even set up a Zoom meeting. In another video, I'm going to talk about how you can start a Google Meet and other platforms where people meet. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing us how you can start a Zoom meeting. So without further ado, let's get down to the business. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be making use of my Zoom app. So I've already registered and downloaded this Zoom app on my laptop. All right. So if you are yet to have a Zoom account, I'm going to drop a link to the Zoom website where you can just click and then create yourself an account. All right. So after that, I also drop a link to where you can download it in the descriptions. So be sure to check it and download it on your system. All right. So once you've done that, I'll just click on my Zoom app. Now, if you see, I have new meeting, I have join, I have schedule, I have share screen. All of these are features in the Zoom app. All right. So if you want to start a new meeting, you're going to click on new meeting. You want to join one, you click on join. Now, perhaps you want to schedule a meeting in the future. All right. So you click on schedule. There you'll be asked to input the time and the date and the title of the meeting and all those other information. So when it is time for that meeting, Zoom will send you a notification and then you can just log in and start your meeting. All right. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be starting a new meeting. So I'll just click on this drop down button and it's asking me to start with video or use my personal meeting ID. All right. But I don't want to start with a video, so I'll just leave it like this, and I'm just going to click on the um, the new meeting icon. So I'll just wait for the Zoom app to load. Right. So I'll just wait for it to connect. Yes, still connecting. So let me enlarge my screen. So it's still connecting. So I'm going to join with computer audio. So I'll join with computer audio so that people can hear me and I can also hear them. Now, guys, I have successfully started a Zoom meeting, right? This is the Zoom meeting environment. So here I can do a couple of things. You know, I can unmute. That is, if I want to speak for others to hear me, I'll just unmute and speak. If I want those in the meeting to see my face, my video, I'll just um, I'll just click on start video and then they will see whatever I'm doing in front of my camera, right? So because I'm the only one here, I will not unmute. I will not, start my video. Now, some of the most important things that you can do while you're in the meeting, you can click on the drop down button beside participants. So when you click on it, you will see the number of participants in that particular meeting. I'm the only one. That's why it is reading one. So if you're up to 10, 15, you will see 15 or 10 there, depending on the number of persons in that meeting. All right. Now, apart from that, you will see invite. That is very important. Now, when you click on that invite, it's going to um, it's going to uh, give you the link, to that present meeting. So I'll just copy the link. All right. Now head back to either my WhatsApp or my email or whichever platform I want to send the link to those that I want, to join me in the meeting. All right. So just go there and paste it to them. And then once they click on that link, they are going to join you in the meeting. All right. Now, if you're in the meeting and you don't want to speak for some reasons and you want to drop a message for the people to see, you can click on chat. You can click on chat and then you drop a message here. So if I type hello if I type hello and send it, all right, so everybody that's in the meeting is going to see the message that I have dropped. Now, if you're more than one, then if you want to send a message to someone privately, after the me too, you will see the list. There's going to be a drop down button. When you click on it, it will show the list of everyone in that meeting. So when you click on a particular person and you send a message, that message is going to be delivered privately to that person. All right. So that is that about the meeting chat. Then I can send them reactions. I can clap. I can give a thumb up. I can raise my hand. Perhaps I want to ask a question, or I want to answer a question and all those. So you can do that via the reactions um, drop down button. Now I can also share my screen. So when you share your screen, whatever you're doing, so I'm going to share the entire screen. So when you share your screen, whatever you're doing, guys, everyone is going to be seeing what you're doing, right? So this is helpful if you want to do a kind of presentation and it is on your device, or so you just share your screen and then you go ahead and do whatever you want to do. Okay, super cool, right? So apart from that, you can also make use of the whiteboard. So you click on whiteboard, and then from there you can okay, let me see, all participants. Okay, so yeah, so when you click on whiteboard, it is going to give us these options. All right, so I'll just I'll just click on the whiteboard, and then I have the whiteboard is loading. All right, so presently I don't have any data, so I'll just click on new. Okay, click on new whiteboard, and let me just open the board, and let me just wait for it to load. All right, I'll just wait for it to load. So basically it's going to give us okay, so I don't know what is happening. Oh, all right, so nice. So we have our lovely whiteboard here, so you can go ahead and write on it, and do every other thing that you want to, that you would like to do. Okay, so I just click on this pen, and then I will hold down uh my mouse, and then I can draw, whatever I want to draw. All right, so this is very helpful if you want to kind of explain something to your meeting participants. Okay, I can also click on more, just to have um, um, more features in the meeting. All right, so guys, this is how to start a Zoom meeting. Please, if you have any specific questions, and if you're using um, using the premium version of Zoom, then you can also go on to record, your meeting, for future reference. So guys, this is how to start a Zoom meeting. If you have any questions, please kindly drop them in the comment section. I'll be sure to answer them. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, kindly like it, share it, and then subscribe to the channel for more contents like this. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.